Ecoparts began in the early 2000s with a mission to develop additive manufacturing technology. We use selective laser melting, SLM, 3D printing for our services, benefiting a wide range of clients. The SLM 3D printing technology provides flexible solutions for both small and large businesses. The flexibility of this technology allows for the creation of complex and detailed design while maintaining precision and accuracy. This makes it an ideal choice for various industries, including aerospace, medical, and also automotive. Our consulting services in the area of design for additive manufacturing help our clients to make the most of this cutting-edge technology. Throughout the project, our team of experts will help you to find the best materials, designs, and production processes. It has been around for decades, but now it's gaining traction in the industrial sector as a viable alternative to traditional manufacturing methods. The potential for additive manufacturing is immense to revolutionize how products are designed, produced, and distributed. AM reduces lead times, AM offers flexible production volumes, and AM reduces costs and waste. Additive manufacturing has a promising future and is expected to impact various sectors. Let us use this exciting technology in your next project.